So now, we'll be discussing artificial neural network. So comparing. We will be comparing biological neural network and artificial neural network. So, what is artificial neural network? By the way, what are the basic models? So, these are the topic that we need to discuss to you. Discuss the ANN, the basic models, and as well as maybe some of the topics, the neuron model, McCulloch-Pitts neuron, and Hebb network. Those will be discussed. Okay, but for now, we will be discussing the artificial neural network. Okay, so to begin with, okay, I think this is already recorded. Let me, okay. So now let's have a discussion here. What is neural network or artificial neural network? So actually, this what I am talking all about. Imagine this. Okay, so let me have a discussion about the field of a artificial neural network or the ANN, artificial neural network. Yeah, imagine the transition uh, of computing from linear to brain inspired. Imagine linear to brain inspired. Imagine the brain contains many neurons. Imagine the journey starting from logical abstraction, then evolving to adaptive network. Now, to show you some illustration, I can have for example, these are the input. Example 1, these are the input. And then we have example 2, example 3. Then here, for example, these are the weights. This will be the multiplier. Let's say W1J. Yes, can you see? Ca- Can you see? Is it remember something again? Is this our neural networks? Okay, then actually, there is a while ago I discussed electronics today. It's all about okay, maybe some of you are neural networks, some of you are LX3. I have a recorded video of the LX3. Maybe you can just raise for those who are electronics today, you can just watch my video. Can you raise your hand for those who are neural networks? Maybe there are confusions. I will check the schedule. There are conflicts. That's why it is confusing. Some of you are neural networks, some of you are LX3. Can you raise your hand for those who are LX3 before we start? Because the schedule given to me is here, 7 to 9 p.m. Sudan time. But I think there is a conflict. Maybe we can arrange. But don't worry, I have recorded the topic in LX3. So you can just watch it. The topic is all about operational amplifier. How about for neural networks? Can you raise your hands? For those who are neural networks. Okay. So I will be for those LX3, you can just watch the recorded video that I will be posting. I have already recorded but for now, we will be discussing now the neural networks, and I will just maybe next time I will arrange the schedule because there are some conflict. That maybe the time for the neural networks and the LX3 are conflicting. So maybe for next time I will be arranging so that we can have a separate time dedicated only for LX3 or dedicated only for neural networks. So for now, for those who are LX3, you can now if ever if you but if you can if you want to stay you can still stay if you want. But if not, you can just watch my recorded video that I've just discussed a while ago. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, so we can now, I think we can now proceed to the topic. Okay. So in neural networks, imagine we have inputs here. Then, because I am now illustrating you what the architectural, how does the neural networks works. Okay, so imagine this. Okay. Then this, uh, imagine we will take the summation or the transfer function here. So here, then here. Okay, this is the transfer function. Then through that, we have an activation. So this is an example of a neural network. Then let's say here, this is the activation function, then activate. That is neural network. Okay, so overview, ANN is a computational model which is inspired by biological nervous system. Imagine your biological nervous system. Okay, so what are the components here? Inputs, the inputs, the components of ANN. We have inputs X sub n, where the data signals received from external environment. Then the weights, these are the multiplier. These are the multiplier representing connection strength. Then summation. Okay, in mathematical, uh, this is transfer function. That's why mathematically, the ANN, if this is the output, Y sub n, summation of n, I is equivalent to 1, X sub I, W sub I. This is the input. This is the weight. And this is the summation. This is the output or the activation. Okay, so that is how we connect it mathematically. Most likely, this is the activation function. Activation function. Okay? So that is the basic of the neural network. Actually, there are so many applications, tasks. Example of those are pattern matching, classification, optimization, approximation. These are very vital in engineering, particularly in computers. Okay, the ANN possess a large number of processing elements called nodes, neurons, which operates in the parallel. Neurons are connected with others by connection link. Okay? So that is the neurons, the connection link. So imagine the ANN, there are large number of processing elements which called neurons. Then each neurons are connected with others by connection link. Then each link is associated with weights which contains information about the input signal. Now, this I'm what I am referring to. These are the inputs. Input 1, that's input 2. This is the weight 1, weight 2. Then, since the weight W1 is simply the weight multiplied by x sub 1, okay? Then plus x sub 2, W sub 2 indicates the summation. Okay? So that is the summation. Now, this also the output. Okay? So therefore, this is how we uh, im- express it mathematically. So this is a linear equation. Imagine the input x times m or y is equal to mx. Similar to the slope y mx plus b, straight line. Now, for the nervous system, you can notice that there are receptors, effectors, there is an internal feedback and external feedback. We are comparing artificial and the biological neural network, which have a similar function. Okay. Now, although we are not focusing on the biological part because this is more on the medical part, but we are just relating the biological neurons comparing to the artificial neuron. Now, one of the theory of the is the Mac-Colloq-Pitts neuron model. So what does it mean? The Mac-Colloq-Pitts. Actually, this is the MP neuron. We call this the MP neuron. Okay. That is a mathematical model of a biological neuron. If I'm not mistaken, that is the binary threshold logic unit to solve simple linearly separable logic problems. So imagine, these are the maybe I can express you though, the excitatory inputs. That okay, so these are the inputs. Let's say x sub 1, x sub 2. Now, if we will take the summation, then threshold function, then output, then y. So um that is an example. Now we have uh the MP neuron model. Here, what is the characteristic? Inputs and final outputs are strictly binary 0 or 1. Meaning to say, the input, output, 1 or 0. Not the fuzzy. The fuzzy logic is somehow, when you say fuzzy, not the Boolean, not typically they have 1.8, 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, then 0. So we have somehow, just like not exactly, but there are choices. Okay. So anyway, those will be discussed, but that is the concept of the uh, Mac-Colloq-Pitts model. Okay. So another one allows binary 0, 1 states only for Mac-Colloq, unlike the fuzzy logic. Operates under the discrete time assumption. So here, the ways and neurons and threshold are fixed in model, no interaction. That's a primitive model. This is an example of a neuron consisting of processing nodes and synaptic connections. Okay, the neuron modeling for ANN. Here, the activation function, also the output, and another formula for the activation function. Anyway, I will be discussing the models of neurons. For example, here, aside from the Hebb network. Okay, so what is this one, no? The common model of neurons. So discuss the common model of neurons. Actually, to understand how the modern artificial neural networks compute complex data, we can look to the common model of a neuron because this is how we understand how modern ANN computes complex data. Okay, how can we understand? This is a general artificial neuron. Okay, so most likely more on input, dynamic weights, nonlinear activation function. Because as we know, the concept, we have inputs, weights, summation, threshold, output, which either 1 or 0. Okay? That's why we call it binary perception. So, uh, what does it mean? If we are input, we have weights, and then the output of those will be summed. Then we have a threshold before activation, then the output. That is simply as the common model. And this is another model wherein this is the formula. Continuous. Okay? So the mathematical formula of this, that is summation, and I is equivalent to 1, W IXI, let's say plus B, for we call it a bias or extra tunable value. This is used to shift the activation because of the threshold. We call it bias or something like uh, tunable value, adjustable value. Okay, so that is the summation. Okay, anyway, this is the there are formulas to activate a neural network, most likely a nonlinear. That's why this is an example of a nonlinear or continuous perceptrons, most likely for prediction of probabilities. That's why we have formulas. For example, 1 over 1 plus e raised to negative v. We can use that. Okay. So how the common model learns? Very important. Maybe I can have an example here. How can we learn uh, uh, to a common model learn? The first step is forward propagation. When you say forward propagation, the neuron takes inputs, calculates the weighted sum, applies the activation function, generating the output. That is called this example of a forward propagation. Then another one, error calculation. How can we determine the error if there is a comparison? So the output is compared against the actual target using a loss function to determine the error. So we will be checking if there is a loss. Then compare, then we can determine if it's an error. Okay, there are some weight modification. Those are examples on how the model learns. And these are very important when it comes to artificial intelligence. The basic using Python, I think we can simulate. Okay, any questions? So that is the basic of the artificial neural network. So any questions? I think those are the topic that we need to understand when it comes to